Like it or not, kitchen carries a lots of chores to be finished every day. So rather keeping it a dull place, I decided to deck up an empty space to reflect some happy vibes. So this was the empty wall I took up, and the wall shelf is an DIY converted from an old study table. I will be using crockery items that I already have, supporting them all with some DIYs, which is my first choice. I'm using this skirt container for the first DIY, and before I move further, I want to welcome you all to the color box, and I'm your friend Bhageshri. Using mix of glue and water to stick some papers all around the container. Sticking the ends of the container as shown. I drew a beautiful lady on this, and now I start with the coloring. Similarly, I'm pairing up the previous jar with this handsome guy, so keep watching as I finish making this couple decor. All the DIYs in this video have been furnished with varnish coating. I am using a synthetic clear varnish here. I'm using the terracotta pot for my next DIY and filling it with a base coat. Since I wanted a colorful setup, I have used all vibrant colors for all the DIYs in this video, and for this one I have applied 2 coats of orange. Time to add up some floral designs. Here I am making a very easy DIY frame that has a kitchen coat to it. I didn't want to mess up the frame by writing the code directly, so I'm doing it on paper. Although at the end I felt I could have done it directly. But anyways. I wanted a chalkboard effect, so I mixed black color with a very little POP powder. And I think it's just looked perfect. These are the cardboard pieces that I will use it for the border. Now is the time to stick the coat and merge it with black. Sticking all the four corners of the frame. I also needed a brick effect, so using these cardboard pieces. I will use these as well. And this is the final step. Moving on to the last DIY, I'm using this old spatula. Since it's an Indian theme, I have used this handsome Indian guy, and to pair it up, I again have a beautiful lady that you will see in this video further. These are some of my previous work before even I've started my channel, and now it looks like a complete set. Before I start, I pulled out some kitchen and crockery items that I already had for about 10-11 years, and they're still my favorite. Placing this lovely set of 3 bottles, For the next section, using this DIY planter, I do have a separate video on this and have shared the link in the description box. Using this black container that is easily available, and I wanted to balance this black with the chalkboard. Hanging these melamine spatulas which were in trend earlier, but I still have them and they are still my favorite. This is the lower shelf. The top shelf. For the middle shelf, I'm using this DIY couples. Such characters always add life to any corner. At the extreme top, I have placed the terracotta jar which my daughter had painted, and along with it a small coat that I have made earlier. So that's how the style one looks like. Replacing the spatula with the DIY one. Changing few things here and there. Adding my khana khajanas here. These two glasses just complement the colorful bottles. And at the last, I am placing this kitchen coat. This channel is new and I'm sure you are new here as well. Please encourage me by liking, sharing, and most important by subscribing. Your subscription supports me in a big way. I have tried to keep the second style more vibrant compared to the first one, as it can be used during festival times or if you have guests at home. may not be the entire video, but if you enjoyed any part of this video, do hit the like button. I will be really thrilled. And out of the two styles, which one you liked it, do mention it in the comment section.